mean, honestly, I noticed one of the smartest things to do is just wait till you get everything you need and then go tune your car. Or the AC is one if you hear that friendly sound. But that's just one of the things that I like. Hold on. I like the smart. But yeah, awesome. What's going on, everybody? It looks darker right here where I was at. Alright, what's going on, everybody? I'm at Shell getting some gas. I need to get some gas, as I said. Gas is expensive for this car. I always say that. It's really expensive. Alright, guys, let's get started. Fill the tank up, get some coffee, and go on from our day. And that's how bad the gasket looks. It looks horrible. Like it's bent right there in that little crease. So we'll get the new gasket and put all this back up. Alright, and so got the new one right here. Put this back on, and hopefully no more exhaust leak. Alright, I got that bolted back on. Everything's put back together. That side's back on. Just gotta tighten this last little part. That's pretty much it. Alright. To my mom's house and then meet with my sister for her to work on my hair. I'm actually letting my hair grow. I don't know if y'all noticed in the last couple of the videos. But yes, I am growing my hair out. I'm trying something. Now I'm just trying to make my way to Louisville, Texas. So, people are driving. But alright, guys. I'll see you there. I'll get back when I get there. If that makes sense. Alright, guys, I'll be back. Good core. Man, I think I'm about coffee. Should I get hot coffee or iced coffee? May not be the best stuff, but it's good stuff sometimes. Make that. It's alright, but at least get something in your stomach. Hot, as you see the Z's right behind me. But let's get to it. Hopefully get this all done quick and then make my way back home. It's a lot to do. Alright. What's going on, everybody? Alright, so it got it took a little bit longer than expected. My hair is finally done. Just having cap over it. Now I'm gonna take my butt home. It is currently 11 o'clock. It's so late. Oh my goodness. No, anyways. Alright guys, I'll catch y'all next time. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace. Take care. Stay safe. Alright guys.